Hi, in this video I'm going to take a look at top
built-in dishwashers.
If found this list helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
There is nothing quite like home sweet home. Compromising between beautiful, high-quality appliances that last and a price point that is fair is a thing of the past. COSMO was founded with a rebellious spirit and an ambitious goal to bring you the premium luxury appliances of your dreams at a revolutionary price. We take pride in designing in-house for expert manufacturing, top-of-the-line parts, and luxury aesthetics. Enduring test after test in a lab, what we build was made to last. Expect cooking, cooling, and cleaning experiences that make life easier and brighten up your home. Constructed with cutting-edge technology and with the utmost care, COSMO appliances support what truly matters, turning a house into a home. COSMO is there for all of life's moments, passing down generations of delicious secret family recipes, helping Grandma bake her famous Christmas sugar cookies, and surprising your daughter on her birthday with her favorite homemade chocolate cake. We're right behind you when you need us. COSMO means beautiful appliances that get things done that last, and a price point that is fair is a thing of the past. COSMO's spirit to bring you the games at a race. In for expert manufacturing and luxurious in test after test in a lab. What we build was made cooking, cooling that make life easier and brighten up your home. Cutting-edge technology and with the utmost support what truly matters. Turning COSMO is there for all. Grandma bake her famous Christmas and surprising your favorite homemade chocolate cake. COSMO means beautiful appliances that get things done for years to come. A better home starts with COSMO.